Hello students, I'm sure that you must have seen a number of cars and you are aware of different kind of models of cars. Usually a car is used to sit in and drive. Today I will tell you about a new car and I'm sure you have not heard about this car earlier. So name of this car is a pop car. This car is completely different from an ordinary car. You cannot sit in and drive this car, but it is very helpful in your studies. You can describe any picture using this car. It is very useful for the picture composition activity in English language. Every alphabet in this car is having a different meaning. Like P stands for person, O stands for objects, P stands for place, C stands for colors, A stands for actions, and R stands for reaction. In any given picture, you have to find out these things, because when you find out these vocabulary words, you can use those words to frame sentences and you will be able to write the composition of any given picture when you are having lots of vocabulary words with you. In this slide, you will see a picture, and in that picture we have to find out those things which I told you in the previous slide. There is a beautiful picture of a garden. So you can see the place of this picture is garden. There are so many persons in this picture. They are using lots of objects there. You can see many things there: spectacles, paint, brush, objects like this. So now we have to find out the things which I told you in the previous slide, that how many persons are there, which are the objects they are using, which is the place there, what are the colors in that picture, what are the actions those persons are doing, and what are the reactions of those persons while doing the activity which they are doing in that given picture. You can see I have found out so many words for that pop car. Now you have to use these words to frame sentences. We can write many sentences, many complicated sentences, even if we know the words. If we have lots of vocabulary words with us, we are able to write the sentences with a very easy and nice manner. You can see the sentences here which I have written using these words. Like the first sentence, this is a beautiful scene of a garden. Red colored words are those words only which we found in the previous slide, which I told you are required for the pop car. Like you can see the sentence here: two boys are playing football. Two boys are the persons, football is the object. So it's very easy. When you have lots of words with you, you will be able to write the sentences, you will be able to frame the sentences very easily. But everything depends upon your imagination and creative thinking. If you can imagine yourself as one of the character among all the characters which have been shown in the given picture, you can create your own world. You can imagine your own story. You can frame as many sentences as you can. But the thing is how imaginative and how creative you are. If I give you a picture and I tell you to write the composition of that picture, to describe that picture in your own words, only thing is you have to create, you have to think, and you have to imagine yourself as a character which has been shown in that given picture. In this slide, a picture is given and it's your turn to find out all the words which are required for a pop card and use those words to frame the sentences, or you can write your own picture composition. Thank you.